Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
What's up, YouTube? I'm happy to be back to my 200 people. Hey, okay, y'all, I'm back. Today is just a regular reintroduction. Just introducing who I am. If I do get some new subscribers, hey, that's cool. If I keep my 200, hey, that's cool too. I'm really just doing this because I like to, and I really don't have nothing else to do. I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I don't be doing nothing, y'all. I'm 24. I don't really go out.
My apple's clean now.
I got 3 rows. It's clean now? Okay, you can eat it. But yeah, so today we're just going to do some heatless curls. Someone on TikTok asked for a tutorial, so I am recording on TikTok, and I'm going to record it on YouTube too, and also just talk a little bit about my life and what I do and what I'm doing, what I'm trying to do, shit like that. Yeah. All right, let's get started, okay? Okay, so first things first, you need a heatless curler. They have them on Amazon. They have them. I think they have them in Dollar Tree, y'all. I really do. And also, don't. I don't know if they got them in Dollar Tree, but I think I seen them in my Dollar Tree. I'm in Florida, so I don't know what y'all Dollar Trees got. You know what I mean? Anyways, if I look to the side, I'm looking at my monitor for my camera because I'm trying to see how I look. I'm not. I gotta get used to just looking at the camera and not worry about that. But you know, I still want to see how I look. Shit. Anyways, yeah, I got this from Miss A, the Miss A store in St. Augustine. It was $1.88. My boyfriend actually got it for me. I went in there to see, well, to look for some jewelry, and I ended up just walking around the whole store and getting like a bag full of shit. Yeah. Anyways, so what you need is this heatless curler. You will need some mousse, and you will need some scrunchies to hold it at the bottom when you're done, like to seal it. Okay, so let's start. So hold on, let me do my use my TikTok video too. Y'all, I can't talk. This is gonna be something new. But I fuck with it, okay? I can do it. Like I know I can do anything. Like she can do anything, okay? Okay. She can do anything. I can do anything. I am shit. Okay, anyway. So you also need 2 clips as well. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is take your heatless curler and sit it on the top of your head. That's not the first thing you do. I'm fucking lying. You put mousse on your hair. Not too much, but not too little. You know, just do it so it's covered, but it's not like soaked. Because if it's soaked, your hair is going to be hard. So do it to where it's like just enough so it's not crunchy when you take it out. Okay, you don't want no crunchy ass hair. You're going to walk around crunchy, hard. You want to look at that? No. Okay, so ease up on the mousse. Okay, ease up. All right, hold on. All right, y'all. I have to get my little TikTok clip, y'all. I'm trying to see if I want to keep stopping this. And hold on. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh my God, I started recording. Anyways, okay, so split your hair in half. Thing with TikTok, I edited that shit and I edit TikToks in 10, 15 minutes. It don't even matter. Okay, split your hair. And again, lightly on the mousse. Ease up, probably 2, I say 3. 3 squirts of mousse. And put that all over. I'm using my phone as a mirror because I do not have no mirror in front of me. It looks like super coated, but I promise it's not that much. Okay. Put it all over there and put it on the other side as well. It's probably going to dry up before you get to the other side, but that's okay. Just put a little bit more if it dries up. A little bit. Like, don't do too much. Like, for real. I'm telling y'all, I experience. Okay, experience. That shit gonna be crunchy as hell, and you're gonna be pissed. But anyways, okay. So get your hair moosed up to a little rat tail comb. Comb that shit out. Boom, 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 boom. All right. You want to sit this curler, this heatless curler, on the top of your head, like right there, like right in the middle here, like right there. You see? Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Clip that. Boom. So you got your shit. You want to take the first piece here. Not too much on that little thing right there, y'all. I got a motherfucker birthmark, bitch. That's why it's dark. And then you just want to twist. Okay. Grab, twist, and boom. So you're grabbing it, you're twisting it, twist it, and pull it through like that. And then you just repeat. Let's go. Hold on. Let me do this one here. Wait a minute. 2 minutes. Okay, cool. I can keep going on my YouTube thing. So with this, y'all, if this y'all see this part, it's like a little dry, but it's not that dry. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of mousse, a little bit, not too much. Yeah, I'm traumatized. That was a bad hair day, bad crunchy day, for real. All right, so let me tell y'all a little bit about myself. We're going. So my name is Braylon. I live in Jacksonville, Florida. I've lived here since I was 6, but I was born in Douglas, Georgia. That's where all my family is in Georgia, period, not just Douglas, my mom and dad's side. What else? I have a brother. He is 10 years older than me. I'm 34, so I'm 24, so he's 34. Let's see. He drives trucks. He got CDLs. My mom is a registered nurse. Yeah. I just had to include her just because I just thought about my brother, so I thought about my mom. Anyways, I live with my baby. He's not a baby no more. He's a grown ass man, y'all. He's 3. He's a 3-nager. Like 3-nagers are freaking real, bro. You see them videos? That shit is real, and he's so smart, y'all. He's 3. He's about to be 4 on the 13th of this month, April. He starts VPK in August. Like, this is too much for me, but I'm happy. He's so smart, and he's so he's advanced from the other kids and stuff. And yeah, if you haven't seen my baby, you should follow me on TikTok if you do want to see my family and everything. I do post lifestyle, like mini vlogs on there. I might post longer vlogs on here because the vlogs on there are so short, and I like to just record everything, and I like to watch long videos. If you like long videos, please let me know in the comments. Comment down below what y'all want to see. I will be doing games as well, so I will be gaming as well. So this channel is just going to be a little bit of, I won't say everything because I don't do makeup and stuff like that. I do my lashes. I do that. I will do my lashes and I do my hair, so y'all will see that. But also, majority like my hobbies and things, I like to play games. I'm trying to start my hair business on the side, not selling hair. I tried to sell hair. I'm not gonna give up on that, but right now I'm doing services, so wig installs, quick weaves, ponytails. I haven't really had a lot of clients, but hey, who cares? I started, you know what I mean? And that's really all that matters. And I have to remind myself that that's all that matters. Because I done started so much stuff and I just don't sit and actually think like, okay, girl, you did that. You ate that. You know what I mean? I ate that. Anyways, I be eating it up. Life is just something you just gotta go with, okay? Just go with the flow. God didn't put us here to be struggling and stressed and worried and depressed and everything. Even though I can't seem to help but be dang depressed about absolutely nothing, because I don't really have to do anything because my man literally does everything for me, and I'm so grateful for him. I really am. Like, I've been with him since I was like, 17. He was 19. Oh, I live with him too. I don't know if I said that. I just thought about my baby and everything. But yeah, so I've been with him since I was 17 and he was 19. So yeah, we've been together for a minute now. We got a little 3-year-old running around back, bossing us around. So yeah, I really appreciate him and everything. Literally grew up together. Oh, my head itchy, y'all. All right, so we did the first one. First one is done. Because it's done, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna put it around in the back, and then take it clip, and I'm gonna clip it. So it should be like this. See? Not too much. All right, let's do that. All right, let's do this side. See how it's a little dry. Oops. It's a little dry, so add a little bit more mousse. So my TikTok is gonna be a voiceover, so I don't really have to do too much with that. So I thought I would do that little that little bit, you know what I mean? All right, so let's do this side. Take your piece. Here, I'm gonna redo what it's okay. Take your piece. Y'all to get the whole tutorial then. Period. I'm gonna say YouTube for full tutorial. Send them hoes over. Send them hoes over. All right, y'all. All right. Y'all, I think I have this shit. I haven't been diagnosed with it, but I don't know what the fuck was going on in my brain. They said that. Oh, so I was looking up if Mike Tyler was in his milestones, and they said that Tyler's brains think of like 30 things in 10 seconds. Bitch, that's me. I'm a fucking Tyler. We'll see. I'm a kid. Let me stop. I am a kid. I'm a kid with a freaking kid. Grown ass teenager, which is crazy. Anyways, what else do I do? Oh y'all, I'm in school to be a dental hygienist. For dental hygiene, I'm in school for dental hygiene. Getting my associates in science, and so far it's going pretty good. I will say it's going pretty good. I do have a D in one class, but she didn't grade my work. Y'all remember you say she didn't grade my work yet? But no, this is the real shit. She didn't grade my work yet, so I need her to get that together so I can have my A's and B's back, and not this damn A's and B's in one seat. I gotta see him at, but I'm gonna catch up on that. So that's not too much to worry about for real. But anyways, oh okay, yeah, I'm trying to find make shirts for us. We're going to see Hot Wheels Monster Jam, not Monster Jam, Hot Wheels Glow in the Dark for his birthday. So he's so excited for that, y'all. Like he's so ready. So ready. But anyways, let's keep going with this. And make sure, let me show them this part.
Mommy, I just hear a noise upstairs.
You guys went up here. No. Alright. So y'all, we are almost done. Oh my god, my camera's at 9 minutes. I'm about to cut off at 10. It only records to 10 minutes, which is crazy. I got this camera off TikTok shop though. I got it for free. Bitch, I got that shit for free. That's that time I was getting buku samples. I mean, like they was just sending me shit. Did I tell y'all enough about me? I don't know. Anyways, I was getting buku samples. But yeah. Hold on, let me think. Put it out. Cha. I don't fucking know. I'm trying to think of what else I could tell y'all. What else I do? It says some facts about me. I was a teenager. I mean, of course I was a fucking teenager. I was a cheerleader is what I was trying to say. I was a cheerleader from the age of 6 to the age of 16. So I did cheer for a long time. I also did other sports like track. I did softball in high school. I did flag football for a little when I was a kid. I also did t-ball. Everybody did t-ball, baby. That's when you little, baby. I ain't want baby in t-ball though. He want to do soccer, so I put him in soccer. My nigga want to play soccer. He be calling it football. I be like, well, you is not Hispanic. It's not Espanol. Like, what's up? Soccer. That's a foot. It's called soccer, dude. Anyways, all right, y'all. So this is bitch. This is the last one. I'm gonna put that on there, and then this one might be tighter than the other one. I always do this side tighter, bro. Like this side is so loose, and then this side be so tight. It's okay though. It's still gonna be cute. So once you get that second clip on there, you can take this off, and it'll hold. Boom, boom, boom. Hold on. Boom. Take a little spritz or hairspray, either one, and just oh. That's how you do it. I ended my TikTok video and forgot I was recording. I'm talking about, like, do I need to do anything else? Anyways, I'm gonna like this wood, transfer this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. If you did watch to the end, thank you so much for your support. Make sure you share, you like, you comment down below what y'all want to see. Again, comment down below what you want to see. Please, please, I need y'all. I need y'all to do this. I can't do this without y'all.
Do it work?
Huh?
Do it work?
Yeah, I got this new blue camera. It's so cute at Walmart for like $27. But anyways. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh my god, I miss saying that. Bye.
Yeah, subscribe.
Subscribe. With this camera, baby. This is a big camera.
Bye.
Bye. Look here. Look at that on TikTok.
Watch our on YouTube.
Watch our on YouTube. Bye.